In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a font from Dafont and use it in Figma. We'll walk through the whole process from grabbing the font online, installing it on your computer, and then applying it to your design inside Figma. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. First, open your web browser and go to the website dafont.com. This is a popular site that offers a huge collection of free fonts in many different styles. Take a moment to browse through the categories or use the search bar if you already have a specific style or name in mind. When you find a font you like and want to use, look over its preview to make sure it fits the look and feel of your project. Once you've chosen your font, look to the right side of that font's row on the page and click on the download button. Your browser will start downloading a compressed file, usually a zip file. When the download is complete, click on the download icon in the upper right corner of your browser to open your recent downloads list and then select the file you just downloaded. Next, click on Show in Folder. This will open the location on your computer where the downloaded font file is stored. In that folder, right-click on the font zip file. From the menu that appears, click on Extract or Extract Here, depending on your system. This step unpacks the compressed file and creates a new folder with the actual font files inside, usually in formats like TTF or OTF. Once the extraction is finished, double-click the extracted folder, and then double-click the font file inside it. A preview window will open, showing the font and some sample text. In this window, click on Install. Give it a moment while your computer installs the font and makes it available to your applications. Now it's time to use the font in Figma. If Figma is already open, close all Figma windows to make sure it will refresh and detect the newly installed font. Then open your System Start menu or Application Launcher, search for Figma, and click on the Figma app to open it again. Once Figma is open, go back to the project you were working on earlier. Select the text tool or click on an existing text layer. Open the font drop-down menu, then scroll through the list